Alright, so you bought an EVO wideband and you want your lighting to be blue all the time. You're going to take your gauge to box harness, and just on one side we're going to pop pins 2 and 4 out. If you look closely, you'll see they're labeled 1 through 5 there. Now for demonstration and quick video, I've already popped them. So what you do is you just take a pen and you just push down on there. Once you push down, it's going to release the lock. You may not get it the first time, just kind of push and pull at the wire as you're doing it. And then it will come out like this. Remember, orange is number 2, and then brown is number 4. And we're going to take brown and put it in number 2. Oh, before you put it in, if you look closely, that little tab, you probably want to pull it up just a hair to let it lock back down. Not a lot, but you'll see. So back in, nice and locked. Kind of yank on it to make sure. Same thing, pull the tab, put it back in forward. Locks. Nice. That's it.